I'm Angie Lauer with the Joe Taylor Group, and I'm beyond excited to share our new listing at 7740 Cinnamon Bear with you. Come take a look. This amazing home sits on over half an acre, backing up to one of the most beautiful parks in Las Vegas, Floyd Lamb. The house itself is just over 3,500 square feet. It has 5 bedrooms. This home has amazing large windows and plenty of natural light to fill the open space, enhancing the home's warm and inviting ambiance. As you step inside of the door, you're going to be greeted by an elegant floor plan, super open, leading right back out to your park-like setting. Multi-slide doors are going to bring you to your entertainer's dream of a backyard. Not only does the backyard have the most amazing views of the park, it also has a basketball court, built-in trampoline, and resort-style pool. Complete with RV parking, 3-car garage, and plenty of space. Floyd Lamb Park, which is a popular local spot, features beautiful walking trails, fishing ponds, and picnic areas. It's the ideal place for family outings and weekend relaxation. You can even step out the back gate directly to the park. The large covered patio is perfect for summer barbecues and outdoor dining. Thank you so much for joining us on this tour of 7740 Cinnamon Bear. If you love this home, which what's not to love, or any other home in Las Vegas, please contact us. We'd be happy to set up a private showing for you.